Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Aisha Nafisa binti Zahiriman from ALG 2401A, and this is my video presentation for my EPC 44 subject. And this over here will be the sentence of my choice for today. This presentation was chosen from Portfolio Task 11, which was from Group C, and this is my pick for today's sentence. As per the instruction, I have looked for many company brochure and finally stumbled upon this specific sentence to finally form this tree diagram. So, the sentence that I have chosen for today is conventionally located between the Los Angeles International Airport and the Port of Long Beach. A full-time staff provides warehouse services. This sentence, as can be seen here, is a sentence that contains non-relative modifiers as a punctuation is used in the sentence with an addition of information. So the first thing that we need to do is to find the main clause of the sentence, which in this case is a full-time staff provides warehouses services, while conventionally located between Los Angeles International Airport and the Port of Long Beach, is actually the past participle phrase that functions as adverb of place, as this clause has no noun phrase subject, and it also started with a past participle instead. Other than that, this whole clause also functions as to describe the location of the said event, which leads it to be functioning as the adverb of place. So now let's break the phrases even further. So firstly, we have conventionally, which is an adverb of manner, and then we have the located as the main verb of this clause, and it is a VI and is in past tense. And then we have the prepositional phrase adverb of place. So located is actually a VI because this clause does not contain any noun phrase subject, and it is only followed by a prepositional phrase adverb of place. And then under the prepositional phrase, we have the noun phrase subject of preposition, which is Los Angeles International Airport and the Port of Long Beach. And this needs to be broken down into two different noun phrases, noun phrase 1 and noun phrase 2, since they are both two different noun phrases. And now to the main clause, we have a full-time staff, which is the noun phrase subject, provides, which is the main verb that functions as a transitive verb VT, and which is also is in present tense. And then we have the noun phrase object of the main verb, which is warehouses services. And now it is finally time for us to draw the tree. So firstly, we'll have to start with sentence as always, and then we will have to divide it into two, which is past participle phrase that functions as a verb of place and also the main clause. So first, let's focus on the past participle phrase at verb of place. Under it, we will have to divide it into three categories, which is the intransitive verb for the main verb, and then prepositional phrase at verb of place, and then adverbial phrase that functions as manner. So firstly, we'll have to abandon the conventionally part first because that will be drawn last. So now let's take a look at the word located. So the word located is intransitive and it is past participle. And then under the preposition phrase at verb of place, we have the preposition between. And then we also have the noun phrase object of preposition, which is then divided into two noun phrases, which is Los Angeles International Airport, and also there is the conjunction and the proper noun, which is the Port of Long Beach. And then lastly, we'll have to add the arrow from the adverbial phrase that functions of manner to conventionally. And now we can focus on the main clause. So under the main class, we have noun phrase subject, the MV, and also the noun phrase direct object, because our MV here is a VT. So under the noun phrase subject, we have the indefinite article a, and then there's a noun phrase, and then adjective, full-time, noun, stuff. And then there's the MV past, which is the transitive verb, provides. And then there's the NP direct object, which then will be divided into noun that functions as adjective and also a noun. So that is all from me. Thank you and have a great day.